What's up, y'all? I just got done doing this hairstyle and I'm too tired to even do an outro. If y'all only knew the half of it to get this done. Let's watch the video. I hope y'all enjoy. Thank y'all for tuning in. I'll see you at the end. I really hope this is not crooked because I can't tell. Okay, so we are in my bathroom because I couldn't do it in the other room, so bear with me. So this is not straight. And if you guys are curious about how I'm using my phone, so if you guys are curious, if there are any content creators out there that are curious as to what I'm using, I do have a mount that is sticking to my mirror, as well as this little baby right here. That's my little ring light. Look at that. Look at that. I love this thing. That's it. But that's what I want to show y'all. Oh, I've been seeing the girlies on TikTok doing this. So I want to do this clip up hairstyle. So I have tape-ins in, so I have to figure out where my tape-ins are, because once we get to basically my tape-ins, when they're towards the front, they don't go back that well. It's just uncomfortable, so I have to make sure I part my hair in the right spot. But listen, it's gonna have to do because I'm tired of having this hair just in my face, in the way. That's gonna have to do. Okay, now let's fix the front a little bit. Let's see what we can do in the front. Alright, and then I just wanna slick all this down like that, I think that's what we're gonna do. is my little attempt. What do you even call this? The claw clip hairstyle, I guess. You can see my clip is not actually clipped on the entire hair, but I think it feels okay. I'm trying to camouflage like my little extra clips for support. But I mean, hey, if y'all got really thick hair, this is the way to do it. I was really trying to finesse the whole thing because your girl almost gave up in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. But all right, y'all, that was a workout and I'm tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And see you on the next one.